Let's see how to create a linear welding trajectory in UWeld. We will need to ensure that the TCP and robot payload are properly configured. We will check that we are already connected to the welding power source. We will go to Installation and then to UWeld Installation. The Connect button indicator should be green. To begin programming the trajectory, we need to insert the UWeld trajectory instruction found in the URCAPS menu. We will use the free drive button on the UTeach to manipulate the robot. We will start by recording the approach position. We will position the robot and press the linear button for 1 second to record the position. We will continue with the welding start position using the same procedure. This way, we will record all the linear points in our welding trajectory as needed. We should observe in the programming tree that the linear points are added when pressing the button. To record the final welding point, we must press the linear button for 5 seconds. Finally, to record the exit position, we will press the linear button for 1 second. The interface will show that the trajectory has been completed. Now, from the toolbar menu, we can select whether we want to apply welding, simulate the trajectory without welding, or simulate in teach mode if we are connected via Fronius Modbus. It is important to remove the teach pendant from the work table before running the program, as well as to disable the program loops forever option. It is important to run a simulation of the trajectory before welding to ensure that the positions are correct. In the following tutorials, we will learn how to control the trajectory movement and welding parameters, which are important to consider before welding. When we want to start welding, we must select the weld mode within the toolbar menu. Thank you for your preference.